The co-op is a really interesting one because it can clearly be a valuable tool for a lot of industries supplementing their advertising expenditure, but it can also be a real challenge, in my view, in terms of creating and sharing a marketing message that is relatable to people and creates any kind of emotional connection to you, the individual business or advertiser. The clearest example, in my view, is with local car dealerships, where they'll get co-op money from the manufacturer, but in order to collect that money to supplement their ad budget, they've got to mention certain things a certain number of times in very specific ways. And those things are largely commodity and terms and conditions based, which is kind of generic stuff that I can hear or get or see from a lot of other potential retailers, but really doesn't do much at all to speak to why I should look to you for that commodity. And now I'm seeing that same language translating over into online platforms like Facebook and whatnot, and it concerns me because to me it almost looks like these industries are training their customers to be ready to be Amazoned. Like the Amazon effect of like, well, if the name of the vehicle and the price and the terms and the conditions are all the same message from any one of these different retailers, then what do I need you for? Click, click, done. So by all means, gather the co-op money and use that. I would use it too. But make the use of tools like social media messaging where you can just have organic, very human and relatable conversations to talk about why would I look to get that commodity from you.